Meet Poppy, the most adorable pygmy hippo you'll ever see. Just look at her peacefully snoozing underwater. It's almost like she's dreaming of endless jungle adventures. But don't let this sleepy face fool you. When she wakes up, it's playtime. And here she is in action. Poppy's first splash in the pool was an instant internet sensation. Watch as she paddles around like a natural-born swimmer. Pygmy hippos are actually semi-aquatic, meaning they spend a lot of their time in the water to keep cool and avoid predators in the wild. But let's be honest, Poppy's biggest challenge? Figuring out how to splash the biggest wave. Poppy made her grand entrance into the world just before Christmas, and what a gift she was. Born at the Metro Richmond Zoo, she quickly stole hearts with her tiny wiggly ears and those little snorts. Fun fact, pygmy hippos are born weighing around 10 to 14 pounds. But don't be fooled, they grow fast. In no time, Poppy will be reaching up to 600 pounds, but for now, she's all about exploring and making a splash. Whether she's napping, splashing, or just being the cutest little hippo around, Poppy is living her best life. And thanks to the Poppy Cam, we get to witness it all in real time. So what's your favorite Poppy moment so far? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more adorable updates. Stay tuned for more heart-melting moments from Poppy the Pygmy Hippo, brought to you by the Metro Richmond Zoo. Check out the link in the description to watch Poppy live. See you next time.